Right, today we're going to bring a VEVOR window cover or light reflector, right? Included with the actual panels, the three structure. It's made of plastic. It's all light except for the middle parts, and the center it's all aluminum, so it could secure in case you get any kind of like gravel or something falls on it, or any kind of snow too, because this is heavy duty. So we're gonna go ahead and put it together and see how it works. All right, just finally finished it. It took me a while, but I did it by myself. It takes about two people to actually do it. We're gonna set it up underneath our window, but look at this. Just make sure you screw on the last ones too here, so it won't pop out. They give you extra screws, of course, but I just want to see the side profile how it looks. Look at that. You can always replace this too. These are replaceable. All right, kind of like a carbon fiber. That's what it is mostly. It's like plasticky. They give you the templates here, so if you guys can see where you have to screw in the actual setups. All right, so the clearance I'm talking about, you got to make sure you could clear that on your path. Like I tried on my window here, it's too short here to put it on here, plus I got one already. So the thing is, you're just gonna make sure that that's the clearance that you're gonna have to work with. All right, this is perfect. It's about 6 feet length. Width it's about 4 feet, I would say. All right, so very sturdy too. I like it, and you can always replace these too, so you don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna show you how light this thing is. You guys can see, look how light it is. I'm gonna get a little bit back, but one person can hang this. You guys can see one person can hang this, and it could be on any entrance you want. Just make sure you have a lot of clearance.